we have our amazing model today, and as you could see, she has some features that are consistent with very underdeveloped Soof area and lateral and medial malar fat compartments with a little bit of paranasal depression. Also, she has very nice jawline, cervicomental angle, but more of a flat chin. So today we are going to build the Soof area, and she's an ideal for that because the orbital rim is quite high in her case. So it's a true Soof deficiency that is contributing to this flat look of the middle face. And then we will support the paranasal area, support the lateral malar area, and then augment the chin for her. So with the chin, she has actually very nice and long chin, so only we need a little bit for projection. So I'll be using around 0.4 mils of extreme, and then I will divide the other 0.3 to her lateral zygomatic arch. And then I'm going to use the precise to build her Soof and middle face, and then I will touch up with define if necessary for the lateral cheek compartment. Okay, if you can move 45 degree. You can see here the crescenteric volume depletion of the piriform aperture and the depleted Soof, then perpendicular. You could see here the flat chin and the relatively retruded malar area. Okay, and then another 45 degree to here, and then the lateral degree. Sorry, just perpendicular to the camera. Fantastic. In relation to the mandibular border, I have decided to support the mandibular angle with Ilancé M, and that will give her also better definition. So I'm going to plan 0.5 in each part. So we'll start with extreme. Okay, 0.5. And 0.25 each. You could start to see nice changes in the contour of the mid face. So I'm going to now move to precise. It's quite a lot of loss. I will draw to you where the orbital margin is. We will be entering somewhere like this. So we are on the bone here. Very tough girl. Look up, look up, look up. Well done. Let's see how different it is now between the two sides. So you could see here the flatness of the auger line and then the depleted Soof area compared to the medial malar fat compartment and the Soof area. You can have the true lid cheek junction. So now I'm just going to concentrate on the lateral face. You can go back and relax. I like to use the cannula in this area because it gives me softer curves in younger patients. So you could see the natural mid-face development. Now finally, I will use the Elancé M. Okay, so now at the mandibular border. And 0.5. Well, it's a little bit stimulating, Elancé. Way, well done. So outside. Great. You can now compare the left face with the right face. But have a look here. So you could see the middle face restoration and then the better definition of the mandibular border. You could see now the pre-jowl sulcus that I need to build here in order to continue that nice jawline. And then here, similar way. There we go. Very nice and symmetrical. And then finally, just in the pre-jowl sulcus here. Sorry. Yeah. Well done. Good. Last. So we are using Define for this. Done. It's very nice. And then finally, just 0.1 in each of the parapiriform. Okay, that's it. Well done.
It's like I look the same but different.
Yeah, it's different.
You know what
like
I mean?
fresher.
Yeah. It's just like an actual
Yes.
face.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like sometimes you don't even notice until someone does something and you're like, whoa, okay, I'm symmetrical. I've never had a symmetrical face before.